In this video, I will show you how to import custom brushes into Photoshop without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Photoshop, and the next thing you want to do is to navigate to the toolbar right here from the sidebar. Go ahead and click and hold down, and then make sure you select brush tool. And the next thing you want to do right here is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and open up the brush tool panel. And the next thing you want to do is to click on this settings icon right here, and then you have different presets right here. So what you want to do is to click on import brushes, and this is going to pop up right here. The next thing you want to do is to locate your brushes folder. So for that, I have my brushes folder in the download folder. I have to make sure I unzip it first. So for that, I'm going to bring out my download folder right here. So I will go ahead and navigate to download folder right here. So under the download folder, I have my brushes right here. So here we go. 40 plastic wrap Photoshop brushes. I'm going to go ahead and unzip this folder. So for that, I'm going to right click on the zip folder. Then I want to make sure you look for WinRAR. Then go ahead and click on extract to 40 plastic wrap Photoshop brushes. And in a few seconds, you can see it started to extract, and boom, you have the PSD resource file right here. And this is what we're going to drop into the brushes folder. So for that, we want to come back to Photoshop right here. And then go ahead and make sure, go to my download folder where I have the brush being unzipped. And this is the folder right here. I'm going to select on it. Once I select the folder, double click on it. And then you have the resource file right here. Double click on it. And then this is exactly what I need right here, which is ABR file. Go ahead and select on that. Then go ahead and come down below right here and hit unload. And just like so, the brush has been successfully loaded right here. So you can see it from the bottom right here. Just scroll down and you have the folder right here. So if I click on here, you see the brushes folder right here. Okay, so if you are interested in this particular brush download file, you can check the description of this video. And for more useful tutorial, free resource about Photoshop topic like this, consider to hit on that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.